Hey, my name is Vaughn, and I draw spaceships. Do you like spaceships? Well, maybe you'd consider supporting me on Patreon. Oh yeah, baby. Here's a couple koalas in a space RV. Here's a Nautilus-inspired spaceship. Space toast. Oh yeah, underwater diving. Oh, Look at this big mama spaceship with the babies. Here's the two old people on a little space scooter. Baby bot. Oh yeah. Here's a garbage ship.
Hey, my name is Vaughn, and one of my favorite things to draw are spaceships. Normally I work for studios like Disney or WB, but my ultimate dream is to be able to draw my own stuff full-time without starving to death. If you support me on Patreon, you are directly helping me to create more spaceships. In return, I'll be giving goodies which you can check out below. And that's it. Thanks.